Welcome to Accounts. This is where you collect and review potential leads before moving them into your pipeline. Think of it as your lead matching area. You can see all the leads found from different sources, check their details, and decide who is ready to be added to your sales process. At the top, you can quickly switch between lead matches and companies, so you can view people individually or group them by company. You can also filter your accounts based on where they are in the pipeline, which stage they belong to, where they came from, their persona, seniority level, ICP fit score, location, tags, and more. This helps you focus on the right leads instead of scrolling through everything manually. Below the filters, you'll find a table with your lead matches. Each lead includes the information you need to take action, like their name, company, LinkedIn profile, email, phone number, location, and current pipeline status. When you find a good match, you can add it to your pipeline with one click. And when you want to bring in more leads, just click Add Leads in the top right corner. From there, you can choose how you want to add them. You can search from supported B2B lead databases with millions of high-quality business contacts like Apollo, Lucia, or ZoomInfo. You can also get fresh leads directly from LinkedIn. In that case, B2B Growth Kit opens LinkedIn with advanced search filters already prepared. So you can review profiles and click the plus pipeline pill to save the lead directly into your account. So the idea is simple. Use accounts to find, filter, review, and prepare the right leads before they move into your pipeline.